No matter how much attention you give them, fitted sheets always look like a mess. They are hard to fold, and they can ruin an otherwise tidy linen closet. With no better solution on the market, we created the Easy Fold Fitted Sheet. 360 degrees of elastic gives it a snug fit, and it converts into a flat sheet for folding and storage. We just replaced the corner seams with zippers and allowed the elastic to shrink back into the casing. Just pull the cord, release the elastic, and drop the capsule. Hand loops make folding even easier, especially when doing the job alone or for those with limited mobility. The Easy Fold Fitted Sheet is not just easy to fold, it's also easy to clean and will save lots of space in your closet. Why the Easy Fold Fitted Sheet? It's easy to flatten, easy to fold, and easy to store. Sign up for 15% off your first order of the Easy Fold Fitted Sheet today.